Welcome to La Fiesta Beach Cruiser Assembly Video. What you'll need: 5mm Allen key, 6mm Allen key, a shifting spanner, Phillips head screwdriver, one Schrader valve bike pump, knife/scissors. Cut these. Cut this. And that. And those. Get rid of that. Cut those. Open this. Ignore all of these. Take the instruments and force together. Combine the instruments with front handle bar. Tighten with your 6mm Allen key. Tighten with your 6mm Allen key. Decouple the front V-brake. Rotate body. Disengage. Attach front wheel and secure. Procure mudguard from rear. Affix mudguard. Tighten mudguard, affixing bolt. And this. Now we must move to the pedals. Your pedals are labeled R and L. R corresponds to the right pedal, where you shall place your right foot. Ha ha! Your right pedal screws in anti-clockwise to its corresponding hole. Your left pedal will screw in counterclockwise. Realign the vehicle. Now inflate both rear and front tires using your 5mm Allen key. Loosen and increase slack. Recouple front V-brake. Tighten front V-brake until pads and rim are almost in brace. Adjust clearance between brake pad and rim by working these screws clockwise to increase clearance and counterclockwise to decrease. In order to make minor adjustments to brake tension, rotate these barrel adjusters. Always remember, righty is tighty. And all that is left is to pop, squeeze, screw, stretch, adjust, And all done the bikey.